Hey y'all, it's Rob at Z Motorsports. Well, the time has come that I'm no longer going to be making the door pull braces for the 4G Eclipse. Various reasons for that, but anyways, since I'm not doing it anymore, and I know there's still people that are wanting these from time to time, I thought I would go ahead and give y'all everything you need if you want to make your own. So right here is just a picture of everything you're going to need. Now you're going to need, you know, 2 or 4 of a couple of the things on it. Okay, so this is the template for the brace itself. Okay, you're going to need 2 of these. I've got that drawn out on the paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this page, I'm going to scan it as a PDF, and then I'm going to put a link in the bottom of, in the description of this video, where you can pull this PDF file and print it out yourself. So the template for the brace is made out of, or the brace itself is out of 1/8 inch steel. You're going to need 2 of those. Now they are a mirror image, so one side works on the other, so basically you need 2 of them. You're going to need the bolts to mount the thing. You're going to need 2. These are 6mm. Now they have a 10mm head, okay, but they're considered 6mm because it's measured by the thread. So you need 2 6mm by 40mm long. Sorry, I got to stay in frame here. And I have seen these at Home Depot. Okay, they're not cheap. 75 cents, $1.50 a piece, something like that. But you can't get them at Home Depot, Lowe's, and their specialty stuff. You're going to need 2 of the 6mm by 100mm, so it's 100mm long. You're going to need 4, kind of hard to see here, 1/4 inch washers. Okay. Now these you're going to need to make yourself. Okay. Let's see. Here's, I just buy a rod. Okay. There's the tag still on it from, I think these are from Home Depot. But anyways, it's 1/8 inch by 1/16 inch wall, or 1/2 inch by 1/16 inch wall. They're come in 3-foot lengths, I think, for like $5 or $6. I don't remember exactly what it was. It's in their round tube where they have all their flat steel and stuff. So anyways, you're going to need 2 of these cut to 0.86 inches or 21.66mm. I've got all this stuff written down on this so when you print out the PDF. Okay, if you make them shorter, when you bolt the brace down, it's not going to lock it in properly. You'll get a little bit of rattle, or it'll bow it. If it's too long, your cover won't snap on. So get as close to that as you can. Then you're going to need 2 of them that are 2.73 inches long or 69.37mm. Okay. So this is everything you need. I put little drawings in there. Now these aren't to scale. This is correct. Okay, but the other is just representations and tells you what you need of them. So anyways, I still have the video up there on how to do the install, so that's all going to be up there. If y'all cannot find these bolts, hit me up. I still have a bunch of them because I was buying them by 100 bags of hundreds of these things, so I've still got a stack of these, so I can work some way to get you some if you can't find these. Anyways, again, I'll put a link to this PDF down in the description. The install video will still be up on YouTube on my channel. Hope this helps y'all. If y'all have any questions or anything, either leave a comment or shoot me a message. Hey, y'all have a great day.